Welcome back everybody to Professor Seemo. This is a new video. Today we're gonna see how to traverse, or you could say walk, on a node-based data structure. This is supposed to work in every node-based data structure. Let's get into the video. See you there. Alright, first we'll start with visualizing it, then going to the coding section. Okay, so here let's get the brush. Okay, here's our first node, which has the value item, and next, this is next. Okay, just ignore that. And we have this pointer called this pointer front. Then we have next pointing towards another node, which has the item and another next. Now this next is pointing. Let's add one more node, assuming you have three nodes. Item, next. Now this next is pointing to null. There are no nodes connected to next. So this we can say that null is our stopping condition if we are going to traverse one line at a time. Null is going to be our stopping condition. More like once you see null, stop right there. Okay. Now let's now try writing the logical part. So what we're going to do is we are gonna have this node x and give it the value of front, then do a while loop. While x is not equal to null, while x is not equal to null, what you should do is get next of x. Since x is a front, you will get the next node, set it to the value of x. As you can see, x, give it the value of x dot get next. Okay, get next. Okay, x dot get next will give you the next node of in the next node of x starting with front. Okay, then system out, or basically just out, or like print x dot get the item inside that node. Since get next is a node, get the value of get that node, set it equal to x, then print the value and in the loop. And this is basically how you can traverse or walk over a queue, or maybe even a linked list, or a DQ data structure. Okay, let's get into the code. It's better to see it over there. Alright, we are here and back to the code. If you don't know where this code came from, you will see it in the description in the GitHub page, or you can view this video. It's somewhere up there. It's explaining how to write a generic node queue from scratch. Now let's create this function. Actually, I have missed something. I will show it to you. This won't return anything. Let's call it walk queue. Okay, now this walk queue is going to have this generic node x is equal to, as I have said, first, then start the while loop. While x is not equal to null, keep printing. Okay, one important thing that we have missed on in the paint is we were getting the next node before printing the first node. Okay, so x dot get item, first print the value of first, then x is equal to x dot get next. All right, and let's test it. I have removed the DQ functions. and q.walkq, it's supposed to print Wasim زي for example Majid, Seemo, whatever. Okay, let's print them or run the function again. As you can see, the size is 4 and it's still 4 Wasim, Seemo, Zainab, Majid. Let's even try dequeuing. What if I walk after dequeuing, right? Let's see. Will it print anything? Okay. So as you can see, Wasim, Seemo, Zainab, Majid, Wasim, Seemo, Zainab, Majid. Okay, something is not right. Let's remove the size. Oh yeah, alright. It worked. This is the result of this DQ. If you're confused, let me just remove these DQs. Okay. Basically, I'm printing the DQ. As you can see from before, DQ returns the DQ'd item. That's why it was printing the items. Let's try dequeuing. Okay. Now, as you can see, let's run it again. What did we miss? Okay. Let's run it again. For Wasim, Zainab. Let's print the size after dequeuing. Alright. As you can see, you can confirm the dequeue function has worked, and it won't print anything since our condition says that x not equal to null. Don't go there. The first is now equal to null since we dequeue it. This is better for testing. This could help you test your other functions, or just basically visualize what's in the queue. You could add conditions to like get item. If item is like greater than 5 characters, don't print it, or like manipulate it and create other functions with that. So this is basically how you could work that's a node-based structure that is like queues, lists, and such these data structures. And this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Hopefully you could subscribe, support the channel, like this video, leave a comment if you want, and if you want the specific data structure that you want us to cover, I'm here to help you, and thanks for watching.